When we think of insecurities, ang musulod sa atong brain kay mga negative thoughts. Unsa kabati ang effects sa insecurity sa atong kinabuhi. But today, my goal is not only to stop your insecurities, but to use it to your advantage. Here is 6 steps to stop your insecurities. Number 1, accepting and knowing your insecurities. Kitang tanan tao by we have insecurities. The sooner na ma-accept na nimo na fact, the sooner na ma-change na nimo. Look at yourself in the mirror. Reflect. Asa ka insecure? Unsa ang kulang nimo? Insecure ba ka kay chubby ka? Wala kay kwarta? Insecure ka sa imong self? Feel nimo dili ka enough? I want you to face your insecurities and acknowledge it na naagi na sila and write it in a piece of paper. Number 2, understand why naay insecurities. Question, ngano na may insecurities dong pons? Insecurities is basically atong brain nagsuti sa ato na naay dapat i-improve, na naay kulang nato. For example, chubby ka like me. Moingon dayon imong brain, dong, padaot na, dako na kay kagtiyan. Lain na katan-awon. If you think about it, nagrimay lang atong brain na dapat ta change, dapat mo improve ta. Another example, wala kay kwarta. Moingon din imong brain, day, pangita ng trabaho, wala na kay bugas ugma. So atong response is either to fight or mudagan. Wala kay buhaton. When I say fight, we do something sa atong insecurities na atay buhaton na mawala siya. Ang problema sa ato bay atong i-ignore, magkadugay, mag-build up na siya, magkadako na imong insecurities. If we understand unsa ang purpose sa insecurities, ato na siya ma-face head-on. Mangita tag ways na ma-improve atong self. Third step, use the insecurities to your advantage. Imo nang gamiton bay para mulambo ka. Most successful na tao kay grabe kayo ka insecure. The only difference nila nato is because they already know unsaon paggamit ilang insecurities to their advantage. Example, businessman, insecure sila kay ilang company padong na down. They work really hard para ma-secure ilang company. For example, chabihon, insecure sa iyang lawas. Kadtong mga tawhana, moadto gitog gym kada adlaw para monindot ang lawas, mawagtang ilang insecurities. True na naay mga insecurities na wala na jud kay mabuhat. For example, height or atong facial features. Kung inana ang mangganing bay, ato bawion sa uban butang. Kung mubo ka, pagdato, ninduta imong panamit. Be better on other things. Dili man tanan pariha, lain-lain man taog strengths. Ayaw ka depress sa mga butang na wala tay control, but use that insecurities as fuel to grow by, not the other way around. Number 4, never compare yourself to others. The moment na mo-compare ka sa imong self sa others, mahagba jud ka bay. There will be always a greater person than yourself. Think of it this way. It is not a competition. The only person na pwede nimo i-compete or i-compare kay ang imong past self. Ang imong self sa una. Dili ka mas gwapa, mas improve, mas maayo. You are failing yourself. You are letting your insecurities pull you down, or you're simply ignoring it. Imura pasagdan. Ato ba nga head-on bay? Ingna magtigi ta choy. But be the best version of yourself. Number 5, make a plan. Now, naalaman tayo lista sa ato insecurities. Beside ana, atong ibutang atong plano unsaon pagtangtang na siya na insecurities. Kung chubby ka, ibutang din ha, moadto kog gym 3 times a week. Kung yabag ka mo kanta, magkaraoke ko every weekend para mausab siya. Kung apiki kag dagway, ibutang sa kilid, mo subscribe ka sa Chuy Tabay para maayo kay ka manamit, ug maayo mo diskarte. Basta create a plan. If you think about it na sadbay, the more insecurities they have, the more chances na ma-improve ka as a person. Ang importante by effort lang jud. Kaya lagi na bay, sa giingon pa ni Mahatma Gandhi, be the change that you wish in the world. Imuhang world. Number 6, celebrate small wins. Change is a long and hard process. Mas dako ang insecurities bay, mas lisod yun siya tangtangon. Mas dako ang effort na dapat nimo ihatag. Now, naan ay daghan struggles na imong maatubang. All you need to do is celebrate small wins. What I mean by small wins, makadu kag something para ma-change imong insecurities. Itap imong self. Good job, self. For example, nagpadaot ka, moadto ka sa gym. Good job, self, niadto ka sa gym today. In ana na way, mag-push nimo imong self na ma-achieve yun nimo imong goal. You are one step closer sa imong goal. I know by na being contented is not bad. Nay uban tao na happy ra gyud sila kung unsay naa nila ilang status sa ilang self. But if dili ka happy and you need to change things, do something about it. Happiness is always a choice. Ayaw padala sa imong insecurities. Think of it as your friend. Ang imong insecurities kay imo ng friend to remind you every day that you need to improve yourself. Ayaw siya i-think of negative. In that way, dili lang ma-stop ang imong insecurities, but you will use it to your advantage. Thank you kayo sa inyong time. Hopefully, you got something from me today. My name is Dong Pons and you are watching Choy Tabay.